Hello everyone. Today we have a MacBook Pro A1990. Customer took it to somewhere to fix the motherboard, but unfortunately he said it wasn't be fixable. They removed this 22, the security chip. So a lot of damage in the board. So he brought me another motherboard to replace it for him. He bought it from, I think, eBay. So the main purpose of this video is to show you how to replace the MacBook Pro motherboard. Here in the store, so there are some screws already missing. One here, this is no bracket. One screw missing here, one screw missing here. This chip missing, this chip missing. Anyway, if you need any motherboard repair, before you take it to any store, you can bring it here at maplelaptopservices.com. You check our website, you call us, we do motherboard repair here instead of buying another motherboard. Because this guy, he said he needed the data, but this motherboard is not fixable because of the CPU, so he lost all his data. One bracket missing here. Anyway, we do motherboard for a very long time, so we are very specialist in fixing motherboard for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air and even Windows laptop too. Anyway, if you decide to buy another motherboard, you have to make sure you get the power button for the motherboard because it has the fingerprint. Unless if you don't care about fingerprint, then you don't need it. Here's the cable for the LCD. Honestly speaking, I think this may be the third or fourth motherboard replacement I do it. We usually do motherboard repair. We have very high success rate in fixing motherboard. So you don't have to buy another motherboard, especially if you need the data. So it has many screws in the motherboard, so you have to make sure you remove all of them. So there's screws here. This is the motherboard, this one connected. This is Wi-Fi cable. Battery. first. Wi-Fi connection. The hinge bracket. It didn't give me the screw for this one.
Hello?
Okay, 1 second. Thank you. New shipment. We always buy latest tools for fixing motherboard and for iPhone and MacBook. This battery a little bit swollen. He must change the battery, but I already told him that. He doesn't want to do it now. This is a little bit bigger. find him a screw for this. For the laptop. I connect it to the charger. Yep. So laptop working. So laptop working, no problem, but battery is totally drained. Thank you for watching. If you need any MacBook repair, please call us at 416-587-7105. Thank you.